Hello, my name is Tegan Yardley. Did you know that big cats, the most majestic predators on our planet, are under serious threat? Lions, tigers, leopards, snow leopards, cheetahs, jaguars, and pumas are disappearing at an alarming rate, and today they occupy only a fraction of their historic ranges worldwide. If this trend continues, we could lose some of these magnificent creatures from the wild forever. This World Wildlife Day, March 3rd, is an opportunity for us all to speak up for big cats before it's too late.
Just over a century ago, there were likely more than 200,000 wild lions living in Africa. Today, lions are extinct in 26 African countries and have vanished from over 90% of their historic range. Over the past 2 decades alone, lion populations have decreased by 43%. Today, only about 20,000 lions remain in the wild.
Wild tiger populations, which numbered over 100,000 only a century ago, have decreased by 97%, with much of that decline happening in the past 10 years. According to the latest estimates, there are only about 3,900 tigers left in the wild on the entire planet. Of all the big cats, tigers are the closest to extinction.
In most parts of the jaguar's range, their biggest threat is illegal hunting in retaliation for preying on livestock, although poaching for their bones and body parts is on the rise as a replacement for increasingly rare tiger parts.
It is still possible to protect these extraordinary animals and the places they inhabit. If we make a conscious choice to do this, the animals, the humans, and the planet we call home will all triumph.
I have the power to be a responsible citizen.
I have the power to educate myself and others.
I have the power to change the way I think and act.
I have the power to spread the word.
I have the power to make a difference.
If not me, then who?
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 If not me, then who?